Hi friends, I'm so glad you're here to either clean with me today or sit back and relax and get motivated. If you're new here, just finding Living Gratefully, my name is Cathy and I post new videos every Tuesday and an occasional bonus video, so sometimes you'll get 2 videos per week. And we have an amazing community of subscribers, so I hope you'll join us by hitting that subscribe button. And if you like cleaning and decorating videos, give this video a thumbs up. And here we go. I'm showing the before shots here. The bathroom looks really nice as is, but I wanted to try a more neutral look instead of the blues. So I picked up a few things to revamp this bathroom, and I'll show you what I do to transform it. And we also need to restock some things like toilet paper and cleaning supplies and clean as we go as well. I collected the new decor items over time. You may have seen me talk about this plant that I bought from Target, and I picked up the basket and the new shower curtain from Tuesday morning when I went to Richmond with my friend Maddie. She actually spotted the shower curtain for me, and it was on clearance too. I love it when a friend or my sister or even Scott or the kids find something, or Nana, she always finds good stuff too. They find something amazing because I always remember that moment and how grateful I am that they found something good. The towels and bath mat are from Big Lots. Jaitlin actually picked out the light gray towels, and then of course we found the bath mat to match when we were at Big Lots together, and I love them. And the wallflower plug that you'll see in a little bit is from Bath and Body Works. I had it in the office, but it looks so good in here. I think I might have to go buy another one to put in the office because it looks good in there too.
Dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need it. time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need you. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do.
We had to buy some new spackles, so on a different day, I'm spackling the hole where the other picture was hanging. It's dark, so it stands out, but once the spackle turns white, of course I can get the paint out and spot paint, but until then, the spackle makes it blend in more because once it's dry, it's instead of a dark hole there, it's more like the color of the paint being light and white. Okay, y'all, that's it. I'm so impressed and happy with how the bathroom turned out, and I didn't even spend that much money on it. It's just a nice change up, and it looks so much bigger and brighter in there, and a little bit like a spa, I guess just because it's fresh and minimal and neutral. Since there isn't much on the counters, that's why it kind of feels like a spa to me. But to be fair, we don't use this bathroom except for the toilet and the sink. We don't brush our teeth in here, take showers in here, do makeup and hair in here. It's not much going on in here since we're empty nesters, so it's easy to keep clean and minimal.